Right, hello YouTube. This part 3. I'm just gonna be showing you how to do the login and the create user. So first off, double click your login, and it should have no code in it. I've just got it ready. This code I found on YouTube. I have learned it, but I just thought it'd take too long to put out, so I just paste it here. Right, I'll just basically go through what it says here. So if My.Computer.FileSystem.Directory and then opening bracket, speech mark, this is saying the C drive /accounts, and then it's saying whatever's in the textbox.text. Then it says make, this is basically saying this is just basically making it, so the top a bit here, it just makes it and then it calls it accounts, and then whatever's in your text box one, what is your username box, and then this makes in the side your accounts.text / plus username.txt, what will say your textbox1.text in, because it is sorted out somewhere in this code. And then number 2, well, textbox2 does the accounts textbox1.text plus password.txt, and it's just basically making it. It tells you, please, no, I'm sorry, this isn't making it, this is like reading it. So searches for whatever's in there, and if it can find it, then it goes inside the folders, and if it's correct, then it'll work. It says please, if you do it wrong, it says please import both users and passwords to log in. That's if nothing's in the text boxes, and the username or password is incorrect. That's if it doesn't work. And if it does work, then it will show form 3, what we'll need to add in a bit, but we don't need to add it so far. So I'm just going to save that form. Right, go back to create user, and this couldn't, and then just put form2.show. We haven't added these yet, so now all we need to do is project Windows form, add project Windows form, add. Right, so we'll close number 3 for now. Right, for number 2, make it how big you want it. I'm just going to change the title to create user. Right. 2 labels, 2 text boxes, 1 button, user colon pass colon, and then make them about that long, about more or less all the way to the end of your thing. Put that, well, just click on that, go on to format, center in form horizontally with your button so it's in the middle, and just put in create. Right, just gonna save the form, double click on create, and where it says this, you just import the second section of code I'm gonna put in the description. Yeah, so tell you what, this is basically saying well, if nothing's in text box 1 or text box 2, it says fill in the details properly, and then else it's saying make directory. That's what mkdir means, make directory. And then it says C drive /accounts, and then it just adds on whatever's in text box. So basically you could just have user and it'd be called accounts user. And right, so I'm just gonna Right, so dim user, that means inside that folder that you've just made, it'll add another backslash onto the name, and then it'll plus, so add into there a folder called USERNAME.TXT, and then it'll put in whatever you put in your username into there to refer back to that when you're logging in. It much does the same with the password TextBox2.Text, and it refers, like, it puts it into there, and then you refer back to it as you're logging in. And if you made it, it says this account has been made properly, ready to log in. You can now close this window, and then it says name of VOS, so you can change it to what you want. I'm just going to leave it as name of VOS. This code, I did not make it, so I don't take any like credits for it. I'm just showing you. I got it off a YouTube video I found a while ago, but I've learned it also. I do know it. Right. So now you've done that, we've done form 2, so I can just shut these now because we don't need them. Just to give it a quick test, we'll just do this. So run it. Well, that's not in the middle, but it's right. You just do that horizontal thing and that. So user, I could just put in user and then password 123, log in. The username was incorrect, please try again. So create user, just put in user and then 123, create. Your account has been created properly. Now it's ready for login. You can use this window, close this window. If I didn't put that in and create, fill out the details properly. If I didn't put all it in there and I put 123 in there, please fill it out properly. So now you just do login, and then form 3 appears, and then just close it. Right. So, oh yeah, I forgot to do something. So just on the right side, just open form 2 again. Go down here and find where it says maximize box and minimize box. You want them as false. False. That means no one can minimize and maximize it. And then when it says form border style, just make that as none. Oh no, not none. Fixed single or fixed 3D or fixed dialogue. Just what you want. I just might. Dialogue looks pretty smart. I'll keep that there. Save. So just close that now and close that code. Right. So now I want form 3. So what is it? Form size, we want none, so it doesn't have anything. And remember from the last part, I said to find out your screen size, and if you can't remember, just go on to form 1 here and just copy the size from there, copy it, and just come onto it and paste it in there. Right, and then you should have got a few more pictures whilst you're in the last tutorial where I said get more for your screen size. You can use any images you have, anything you want really. So, well, I'm just going to use this one that I've got, so I'm just going to do background image. Oh wait, I just need to add it. So project, properties, existing file. There we go. It's a bit of a simple one, and I'll add another one just to show you that tutorial one I did. So I need to find music and pictures. I'll do the beach one because that's pretty smart. Right, so save, just close that. Background we want as the default one, so I'll use the simple one. Right, it's called default on here. But it is all over, full screen for me. So right now, at the bottom, I'm going to add what is it? It's called a layout flow panel. There we go. Right, so I'm just gonna put it as far as in the corner as I can. There we go. Right, bang on in the corner. I'm just going to make it 20 pixel high. No, 32 pixel high actually. And I'll make it stretch all the way across the bottom. Right, it's not touching the bottom, is it? So move it down a bit there. There you go, it's lapping the bottom. So now click on it and I'm going to make mine black. I don't want an image. Back colour, black. And then here you can get a label. Drag that in there. You can't see the text because I need to change it. So change the fore colour. I'm just going to make it transparent on mine. And I'm going to make the back colour transparent as well. So I'm going to make it a bit bigger. So you go to font, click on that, and then size 20. Just 1 minute, I'm just going to pause whilst I check how long we've got left of this video. So, sweet, I'll be back in a minute, guys. Alright, I'll just show you how to add this menu. So, make the label bigger. I'm just going to call it Start. Now you want to copy it and then paste it, and it'll come up next to it. And then you want to call that Close Start. Right. So now what you want to do is make this one, go to the bottom of properties on it, and then visible, make it false, and then get another flow layout panel, drag it about that, yeah, so, and then make it that big, about that high. Right, I'll make that black as well. So back color, where black. Right, and then a label, 2 labels. One's going to be the options, so I'll call that. I just make the back colour blue. No, not back colour. I want that transparent. Fore colour, I'm going to have that blue. Like that. Fore colour blue. Right, for the first one, I'm going to put the text as options, and then shut down. Well, it's not obviously going to shut down your computer, it's just going to shut this form. Right, that's all for this tutorial. Next part I will show you how to sort these out and make this open up this menu and close the menu, etc. Right, so rate, like, comment, subscribe, and watch the next video. Thank you. It will be part 4. This is the end of part 3. So see you next video, guys.